Libertex has become a leader in financial services with a reputation for reliability, and it has over 2.2 million clients in 27 countries. With EU regulatory compliance and a variety of tradable assets, the company is committed to keeping its users' trust. In operation since 1997, Libertex is one of the leading brokers in the EU for its accessible tools and straightforward payments. The company has also won 30 international awards and continues to do so. Traders on Libertex can select from a broad range of asset classes, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, ETFs, bonds, and commodities. The company also offers some of the most popular foreign currency pairs and CFDs. Libertex traders can take advantage of 1 to 30 leverage for retail accounts and up to 1 to 600 for professional accounts. Libertex offers EU traders the premise of compliance and strict regulation. The company is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Libertex also offers users segregated accounts as a further protection and uses heavy encryption for its website. Users who prefer a unified trading ecosystem will enjoy Libertex's fully featured web trader. Traders can easily register and complete their verification to start trading, and quickly deposit funds via credit card, e-wallets, or bank wire deposits. Libertex offers minimum deposits as low as $100 and a transparent fee schedule that includes zero spreads. Commissions vary by asset class, but none go over 1.02%. The ability to practice using Libertex platforms through a demo account is invaluable for new users. Traders can test the platform and practice executing traders in a no-risk and virtual environment. Newer traders can benefit from Libertex's introductory video course, which covers the basics of financial markets in short, engaging educational clips. Additionally, the broker offers a blog that covers trending topics, primers, and tutorials on popular assets such as leading cryptocurrencies and forex pairs. Our final thoughts? Libertex is a fresh take on a trading ecosystem that has become complacent. Although the company focuses on its own web trader, Libertex still offers users one of the largest portfolios of trading assets available with zero spreads and leverage. Especially for new users and those looking for an intuitive trading platform, Libertex is a top selection. SciSec regulation further ensures that traders' data, funds, and privacy are protected. With transparent offerings and a user-friendly approach, Libertex stands out from a crowded market.